Alright, check that out, Motor Warriors. The Gorge of the Bad River is closed to all climbing, hiking, and swimming, or having fun. Entering the gorge and climbing over fences is illegal and dangerous. Probably stupid, too. Closed area includes clay banks near Park Concession Building and continues downstream through the gorge to a point 100 yards beyond Devil's Gate. So make sure you bring some way to measure 100 yards. I love all these places with restrictions. A lot of it, you know, is from like the EPA and all that, you know.
Watch Motor Warriors in the field. The wood is your sword and your faith the shield.
Well, hey, Motor Warriors. This is one of the little cabins that's on this place. And it's kind of a nice park here at this Copper Falls. This area is paved and it's nice. The area I was walking on, it's rock and gravel and roots and whatever from a lot of it. And I love how it says it's open, but it is not open. Can you imagine living out in the old frontier and living out here? And there's big deer, big bears. The winters up here probably get insane because we're so far up north. What's in there? Can we see? I see my reflection, but I don't know what that stuff is. Look, feathers and looking at different stuff. But there's a fireplace if you can see that in there. That's kind of cool. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Pretty cool though. Okay. And looks like two of my boys are over there. Oh, there's one in a red shirt, and the other one is over there too. Where'd he go? Oh, there he goes. In the blue shirt. The other one's over there in the gray shirt. And there's my grandbaby. My grandbaby's mama. Well, there's two of my sons, and those guys have a baby. My first grandbaby. I think the baby's with her uncle, her other uncle, my other son. I think he's on the other side of the... Oh, no, there's the baby right there. I didn't see the stroll over there. My son just pointed. I thought maybe she was with her other uncle.
I'm not getting really high for work I'm putting in. Waterfalls anyways.
And there's the other one right there. Been doing a lot of hiking, haven't we? No new men. Oh no, that's Spock, isn't it? Yeah, I don't know what they normally do in this place, but there is a really big fireplace with some nice log benches. And I bet when it's cool, if you have a fire in there, I bet that's pretty nice. It's a pretty cool little cabin-like area. I don't know what it says sail, I don't know what that's from. Yeah, whatever. Okay. This is part of the falls. I don't know if you can see the depth on that. Kind of cool. A lot of walking. A lot of steep climbing and stuff. Let me go up here and see what I can see. Is this the Copper Falls?
This one's Copper Falls.
Where did you get that you had such a nice shot of it before?
Not the waterfall you're thinking.
Oh, okay. Too bad the branches are in the way.
Yeah, that tree fell sometime earlier this year. Last year it wasn't there.
Pretty cool though. It's a nice deep gorge.
Yeah.
You didn't do any part of that one.
Well, I mean, there's a
closed off.
part of it closed off, but you can, like, there's a part where you can get to the river way down there, and well, no, you can't walk there because there's another waterfall in the way. There's like a place where you can get into the water down there if you catch it.
Let's see. That's how the bears get across.
Wow.
Can't quite see through the trees down there, but yeah, it would be.
All the way. Well, that's a big trip.
Yeah, it's actually not that far off for the crossover. But
So-
you get a really great shot of the falls here on the right, and maybe it's worth it.
Please tell me there's a rope
Cross
bridge.
that tree down now.
There's
You
a
crossed the earth.
Joshua, what's this one called?
This is part of Brownstone Falls.
Part of Brownstone Falls?
Yeah, because there's a little bit more up over here too.
Alright. Let me see if I can get an angle on this side over here.
Notice the U-shape overflow channel.
Yeah, I'm not sure
This is
about
where
the
the
one on
falls
the
used to
left
flow
so much,
over.
but it's
Where are they
down
talking?
the
What are they
street.
talking, babe? What are they doing?
This and then
Where?
we're gonna be right over there yet.
Well, it's a U-shape. Oh.
That was migrated up
That
Man, I wish I
that
could get-
bluff we will get on.
Yeah.
See that. But it's right over there. You'll have a fantastic shot of this fall.
Well, look.
Yeah. I wish I
And
could
then
bring my
overflow
drone up
channel.
here. I bet I'd get
Oh,
really
so
good
right
shots.
there?
It's open.
Yeah,
'Cause that's where we just were. Is that where we're going over there?
that is where we're going.
Okay.
You might not make it, but that's where we're going.
Bad river.
Well, thanks for saying that on camera.
Yeah. You can edit it.
So what is this, a river or what is that?
Yeah, this is a bad
The
river.
Bad River? Yeah, it looks like a pretty bad river.
Yeah. Oh yeah, then
Fun
once
to
you get around
kayak.
the other side of this bluff, it like really mellows out. It's absolutely gorgeous.
That's cool. I just heard something heavy walking in there. And I didn't realize there's a deer. There's a couple of deer in there. Let's see if I can see him. Oh, he's sneaking off in there. I can see the tail, but I don't know if the camera will pick it up. Pretty good sized deer though. See the tail? See it moving? That's one thing about Wisconsin is, especially way up north here, they're sneaking off in there. I doubt if the camera's gonna pick them up, but the deer up here are huge. I heard them jump and then they started sneaking off real quiet like. See, there's the one. I can see its head. I don't know if you can see that in there or not. See it? Can you see it moving in there? It's like right up in there. It's hard to see inside the thickets there. See it? Nice big deer. I don't know if you can hunt here or not, but I know it's archery season here, but I don't know if you can hunt here because it's a state park. I'm not sure. I think if it was hunting land, he'd probably be running off, but he's right there. Can't tell if it's a buck or doe. I can't tell if it has antlers on it or not because there's so many branches. I can't tell if I'm seeing antler or just branches. Nice size though, whatever it is. Wish I could zoom in better. There's another one in there somewhere. I don't know where it snuck off to though. There's a couple of them up in there. I don't see any antlers, so it's more than likely it looks like it's just a big doe. Yeah, I wish I'd have been paying more attention, but I've been doing a lot of heavy hiking. They went one way, I went the other, and I'm huffing and puffing trying to get up these steep hills and stuff. And it don't look that steep on the camera, but it's got a little bit of an incline to it, considering I just came up a big incline, and that don't even look this steep on here, but it is. And then climbing up and down the steep banks and steps and stuff. It's hard to see them in all these thickets. If you hunt and stuff like this, you have to make a little clearing so that when they step into it, you got a nice clean shot. And if you've never eaten venison, you know, deer meat, it is really good. It's a lot better than beef. A lot healthier for you too. But some people say they don't like venison because they say it has a gamey off taste. That's usually a problem with the way it was butchered. It's like if you kill the animal and then you accidentally get urine and fecal matter on the meat, it'll taint the taste of the meat. But if you clean them out real good, you know, and not puncture or anything like that, the meat is really good. And I'm sure they're doing well because there's a lot of acorns in here, a lot of mushrooms. So they're eating pretty good up in here. But anyway, Motor Warriors, I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. I am sweating. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I'm pooped out. But I'm going to keep walking. They went around one side, and he was telling me what you see, and I thought the amount of energy that you have to spend to go see it wasn't worth it. I've been doing a lot of hiking, and I thought, no, this gravel road sounds a whole lot easier to walk on, so I'll go this way. So I'm here by myself, and they went the other way. So they all went the other way. So anyway, thanks for watching, Motor Warriors. I appreciate y'all, and remember to live your life with a heart of a Viking warrior. Bye for now.